there is intermittent, there is keto, let's do this and let's do that. Where am I going wrong in my food science?
Hello and welcome. A very, very warm welcome to all you lovely people. This is Mind Shift, and I'm your host, Avneet Kohli, bringing to you the best minds across science, spirituality, and business to help you invest in self mastery. Today's guest is someone truly special. She's an inspirational woman entrepreneur who has become a force to reckon with ever since she forayed into health and fitness over 2 decades ago. Her holistic approach, with a strong emphasis on a happy mind, body, and soul, has made her one of the country's most sought after health experts. She has positively influenced the health of over 15,000 people from different walks of life and has authored 3 cookbooks called the Don't Diet Cookbook, Unjunked, and Super Kids, and is currently working on her 4th book. She has been recognized as the best nutritionist at the Vogue Beauty Awards in 2015 and for her credits as the best bridal image maker by Wedding Sutra in 2018. It is time for me to bring in celebrity nutritionist and the founder of Self Care India. Put your hands together for Suman Agarwal.
Hi, Avneet. Thank you for such a glorious introduction. But thank you so much. And I'm very happy to be on your show.
Well, Suman, I must say thank you so much. It is my honor to have you. And let me take this platform to officially say thank you because you've been an integral part of my I wouldn't say weight loss, but my health journey. Someone has really helped me break the pattern. Like I got diagnosed with thyroid. I was suffering with various health issues and erratic lifestyle in my, media and events lifestyle. And amidst all of that, with several issues that I was facing, hormonal, thyroid, etc., she got me back on my path. So could you throw some light on what is your idea of health and fitness? What is your mantra?
For me, first thing is exercise or some kind of an activity daily is like religion. My mantra is that, like beautiful young people are like accidents of nature, right? But beautiful old people are work of art. So you need to work on yourself. You cannot just let it go, okay, now we are young, let's eat and this and that. But you need to take care of yourself because this is your body. Your body is your temple. This is what my mantra is. Before putting anything into my body, it's not that I don't cheat, but of course, I have my beer today. I was in Germany for some time. I must have had a beer every day. But everything is in moderation.
Talking of well-being, what are the common mistakes you see people making when they come to you? What are the kind of funny, requests people have? What mistakes do they make with well-being?
Yeah, so I have seen extremes happening. Anyone comes, either they are over-exercising and the wrong kind, or they are eating too less. Like we had one lady coming to us who was eating only 2 meals in a day. 11 o'clock and 7 o'clock, and she was 60. And she said, I'm gaining weight on this diet. Now, what do I do? So, first of all, we bring the balance. They're only doing very high impact cardio or too much of strength training. They don't have a balance. So, and they're doing fat diets, like, okay, I have omitted wheat. Wheat has become the new age evil food. And earlier it was fats. Now it's become wheat. And then they say, I'm gluten free and I am lactose-free diet I want, and I want to do intermittent. So this is exactly what people come to me, and I have to really balance them out and counsel them.
I think the biggest takeaway that I've had from you is the katoris.
Is portion control.
Is the portion control.
That's yeah.
Whilst I was on diet with you, and I'm getting back on the plan starting Monday, I never felt like there was not something I could not eat, but it was about really taking those portions in balance. And what I love about what you do is it's not about losing weight or gaining weight or fighting illness, but about educating the person with regards to health. Truth or myth? Someone, brown bread is better than white bread?
I'm okay with both. What suits you, you should have.
Brown sugar versus jaggery.
So jaggery has more of minerals. So I would go for jaggery.
Banana is fattening. Truth or myth?
Banana is a very good fruit to have, especially if you have blood pressure. And it's not fattening, it's just high in carbohydrates. So if you want to eat banana, it's very healthy. You can eat before 4 o'clock. So, and you can burn the energy.
Quinoa is healthy. Your comments? Truth or myth?
So quinoa is not protein. A lot of people think quinoa is protein. I want to tell them that quinoa is not protein. Quinoa is carbs. So
Hmm.
if you want to replace your rice or wheat with quinoa, it's fine. But don't replace quinoa for your protein.
Air fry or shallow fry?
So shallow fry consumes much more oil, and even deep frying, say shallow fry is going to take more oil. And of course, air fry uses no oil, but it's not a tested technology. Like how you had microwave coming in, and then the wrongs about microwave came later. Same
Hmm.
way about air fry, you don't know because there is radiation which
Hmm.
makes the air hot in your air fryer. So
Hmm.
it's not a proven technology yet.
I believe this is one of the biggest fads, right? People think that no carbs, high protein, and whether it's protein supplements, whether it's protein bars, it's protein smoothies, it's eating only chicken for dinner. I see a lot of this. So,
Yeah, it
what is your
doesn't that
take
doesn't
there?
help. Doesn't help. If you go very high protein diet and do a lot of exercise, you're not going to lose weight. So the protein and exercise balance has to be maintained.
Someone, what would you say that, with COVID-19 right now, I mean, all of us are victim to it. We are home, we have limited movement. What do you think is like a good regime that all of us can follow in the current times?
Have a healthy routine, wake up on time. That's the first thing you have to do. You cannot sleep at 2 and wake up at 12 or 10 or 11. So have a healthy sleeping time and waking up time and exercise time, and keep your meals on time. One of the way you can drop your immunity is by not sleeping enough, no matter how good food you're eating and what vitamins you're taking. But if you're not um, eating well, I'm sorry, sleeping well, then you are challenging immunity. That is first thing. 7 to 8 hours is important. Secondly, of course, take vitamin C between 500 to 1000 depending on your health conditions. If you have high levels of creatinine, please ask your doctor for how much vitamin C to take. Otherwise, everyone can take between 500 to 1000.
Got it. What are your thoughts on intermittent fasting? Do you recommend it for the Indian body type, or what do you say?
Yeah, intermittent fasting is good, but it has to be monitored because it has its plus sides and minus. So you cannot just do the app and do the intermittent fasting because everyone's body needs it's different. Like how you get your special dress made totally tailored by a tailor or a
Hmm.
designer. Why would you let your body go through just something which is available on the net? So get an expert on board. It can be any nutritionist who can design your diet for you for your intermittent fasting. We only don't give intermittent fasting to people who have acidity and migraine problem because they
Hmm.
react badly to this and can have an attack. And of course, children are not advised to the growth. Children who are in the growth spurt, we don't advise them.
Sugar cravings. What do we do?
Yeah, so sugar cravings, I tell them instead of going for dessert, you should have fruit, have jaggery, have like a frozen fruit. I sometimes deep freeze grapes and have them like an ice cream, which is
Hmm.
works sometimes. And
Hmm.
sometimes just drink water and get rid of your craving. Of course, having desserts too often will make you gain weight. So
Hmm.
you need to be careful about the same.
My final question to you, Suman, is what is the single mind shift you would like every viewer to have?
If you have do the 4x diet, you're sorted, which is eat every 4 hours,
Hmm.
eat all your four macros for 3 meals, which is carb, protein, fats, and fiber,
Hmm.
and sleep for 7 hours, and eat till you're 80 parts full. You're sorted.
So these are like four best practices that Suman has given away, guys. Thank you, Suman. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you guys, and thank you, Avneet, for getting me on the show.
With that, it's a wrap for today's episode. I will see you next time back with yet other amazing guests, amazing content. And till then, remember to be healthy, happy, and invest in self mastery.